Welcome to Easy Tasty Yummy. Today's recipe is spicy sago. Ingredients required: 1 cup sago, that is 100 gram, sabudana, 1.5 cup water, 1 cup peanut, moongfali, 1 boiled potato, aloo, curry leaves, kadi patta, chopped green chili, hari mirch, coriander, dhania, half teaspoon cumin seeds, jeera, 1 lemon for juice, nimbu, salt to taste, sugar to taste, black salt to taste, and cooking oil. Soak sago for 5 hours before preparing. After soaking, sago rises up. Grind peanut, mix sago and ground peanut evenly. Add salt, black salt, and 4 teaspoon oil and mix it well. Put it in a microwave safe container and cover it. Now microwave it at 900 watts for 3 minutes. Meanwhile, cut the boiled potato into pieces. Heat 4 tablespoons of oil and fry cumin seeds in it. Add some salt. Add green chili, curry leaves, and coriander to it. Now add potato, and cook it for 1 minute. Now add the cooked sago to the potato . Add some sugar, mix well, and add lemon juice to it. Mix well and sago is ready. Thanks for watching. Please hit like, subscribe and share for more videos. New recipe every week. Click on the videos below to watch other easy, tasty, yummy recipes.